Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Let's learn how to make lipstick with this all-natural and straightforward recipe. Using simple ingredients and natural colorants, you can make your very own lipstick. Akerfessi or red poppy powder is known as gazelle's blood. It owes its name to its very captivating vermilion red, bright matte made from poppy flower petals and very red pomegranate peel. The recipe for akelfessi is ancestral and well kept. Indeed, the akar has emerged from the beauty rituals and refinement of beautiful Berber women. Since the dawn of time, its first uses as a vegetable dye go back even to ancient China. You can buy it from internet. Well, let's get started. All we need here is 2 teaspoons of Vaseline. Vaseline is an excellent choice as it forms a protective layer on the lips and penetrates deep down to rehydrate the skin and speed up its natural renewal process and becoming smoother. A pinch of akerfessi, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Melt your Vaseline in a bath of hot water. And add akerfessi. To be used in very small quantities because akerfessi is by nature a very strong coloring agent. Mix well. Add coconut oil and mix all the ingredients together. And pour it into a container and leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes until it hardens. And there you have it. Your lip gloss is now ready to use. Let's talk now about akerfessi. Red poppy flower petals and pomegranate peels are dried naturally in the shade in a ventilated and sunny place, and not too long in order to prevent the petals from darkening and therefore losing their natural coloring pigments. They are then pounded by hand to reduce them into small, naturally shiny, very fine flakes. Note that the poppy is a white flower that grows on untreated wheat fields. Red poppy flower petals contain flavonoids, which give them antioxidant properties and prevent the breakdown of elastin and hyaluronic acid naturally present in the skin. They are rich in active ingredients, in particular in mucilages and anthocyanins. which give the acre moisturizing, softening, and anti-wrinkle properties. The tannins it contains have an astringent effect and are also antioxidant. It also contains alkaloids, especially rhyodine, which has calming and soothing properties. A true treasure of nature, this powder used without any additions allows you to make natural and vegan cosmetics, coloring lipsticks, eyeshadows, and cheeks. It's a simple, effective makeup, and the result is downright superb. A matte shimmering red, like bitten lips, which holds for a long time and can be enhanced with a gloss. Acre Fessy also protects the lips from drying out and will not stain when applied. The pigments can also be used in long-lasting makeup for the cheeks to give a healthy glow. I hope that you will try this amazing recipe and give your opinion. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.